So having a good structure designed is great and all, except for how are we going to get up there? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to build some stairs in order to get up to your structure. So we have our structure designed, but we haven't given any kind of access to it. So we're going to have to build some stairs. We're not Superman, so we can't fly up there. So let's get into that. So if you go to your CADWorx Structure ribbon here, the second one is Assemblies. So if you click on that one, you see that you have some assemblies already designed. You got stairs, you got handrails, and you got ladders. So let's go ahead and do some stairs. So we're going to click on stairs, and you can see that it's came up with a couple of options. Here's our template. This is directly from CADWorx Structure. I didn't build these. So you've also got a cylinder type, and you got a spherical. So if you got a onion tank or just a regular round tank, then you can build that pretty easily. So we're going to do a straight stair. So if you look at the information here, it correlates with this pictograph right here. And so here's your A, here's your B, C, D, E, and F. And so you can define your thickness, your width, your thickness, and all these. So we're just going to go with what the default is. Now, one other thing is you can put on there automatically to put your handrails. So you can place this by member height and direction, members, points. So we're going to do the first one, member heights and direction. So we're going to click insert. Okay. So we have this structure right here that I built off our main pipe rack. And so it says when you click on that, select a member. And so we're going to select this one. Okay. And then it says how far along do you want it? And you can see that there's a dimensional control there. So if you know what it is, you can go ahead and hit, type in the dimension and it will put it in there. In this case, we're just going to go right here, midpoint. Okay. Then it says define the height. Well, again, you can type it in or you can just drag down. And we know typically our foundation is the height that we want it. So we're going to click the bottom of our foundation here. Okay, and then give it a direction. So we're going to come out this way. Do we want it bolted or welded? We're going to say bolted. And let it think about it, and there you go. So it's created the stairs for you. So let's go ahead and hit shaded so we can see it a little bit better. So it's created the stairs, it's created the handrails and everything for you. So let's make some modifications. So double click on any part of it. That will bring you to your modify stairs toolbar over here. And then we can start changing some of these parameters. Well, you can see that it's just going directly into there. So let's go ahead and change our E and our F dimensions. That's our top and our bottom. So let's go into, here's our E. We turn that one on and say 6 inches. And you can see that it's pulled it back, put the handrail up to that point. We don't have anything down here, so let's go ahead and change this. And 6 inches. A little click happy. And we're going to hit apply. So I extended it down. So that's looking pretty good. Now let's say we have a standard here that we don't want. We want to change the type of channel this is. So if we double click on that one again, we're in our modify. And then down at the very bottom, you'll see members. So if you click on that, and you have a modify members. So you can do your treads, you can do your stringers, and let's make a change to this. Let's make it a little smaller. Again, I'm not a civil structural designer. I don't know if this is good practice, but for demonstration purposes, it's good. So we'll go 6 by 10.5. Okay, we're going to hit apply. Okay, so you can also do that for the handrail also. So if you double click on the handrail, it'll bring up the modify handrail toolbar over here. And so you can have, you know, a 3'6" handrail. You can do a stair handrail. These are defaults from CADWorx Structure. So once you create your own by the what standards you need, you can save these by just clicking right here to save. But you can come along here and change if you want to. Let's say we wanted to change our members from round to angles. Selection data equals, we'll do a 2 by 2 by 3/8, and we'll hit apply and see what happens. So that's our post member. And then if we want to change our top rail, same thing. Let's do channel. No, not channel, sorry. Angles, equal leg, 2 by 2 by 3/8, and just hit apply and see what happens. Now, I don't think that's really OSHA appliant. So let's change this to 90. There you go. That's a little bit better. Now you see that it's only changed it on one. It didn't change it on the second one. So what you can do is once you have your first one like you want it, save it as a template. Then when you click over here, then you can load that template up and it'll change it for you. So I hope that helps you start building stairs in CADWorx Structure. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if there's something you guys would like to see for me to cover, and we'll try to get it on a later video.